Hi, I'm Ken Aylesworth. I'm the owner, manager, or head lettuce of Simons Valley Ranch Farmers Market, and we're very, very pleased to have had a long association with Viral and Natural, and the crew at Viral and Nature has been wonderful in helping us with all our social media needs and crisis communication, unfortunately when we've had to use it. And today are helping us with a wonderful event with the group from Yelp. We're quite excited to have a group of Yelpers around fishing for clues through a scavenger hunt and meeting all of our vendors throughout the day here and winding up downstairs in our restaurant called Simon's Roadhouse for a little gathering. At the time we'll present some prizes, etc. To them for the winners of the scavenger hunt. Without Viral and Nature's help, events like this wouldn't happen, and we've look forward to a long and prosperous relationship with all our social media needs with them.